Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. If you're having a hard day, feeling stressed out, fed up with life, frustrated with circumstance, feeling insecurities, boundless negativity, feeling tired, numb, lonely, or perhaps even joyful, know that it's okay to not feel okay in this moment. No problem at all. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can become just a bit more aware, witnessing and welcoming all that's here in this moment. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware of your body. Close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner space, putting distractions to the side, letting go of the past. You can come back to the past, but for now, just putting it to the side. As if the past doesn't even exist. Doing the same with the future, putting the future to the side as if it doesn't even exist. You're safe to close the eyes. Natural to feel a bit of restlessness, discomfort, embracing that. Extending your spine, dropping the shoulders away from the ears. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in consciously. And exhaling with awareness. Breathing in trust. Exhale, letting go of insecurities, fears, worries. Every cell in your body breathing in. Every cell exhale. Inhaling. And exhale. Breathing in strength. And exhale, believing in yourself, having faith in yourself. That you can overcome all these challenges, setbacks, trials and tribulations. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhale, releasing fear. Breathing in 3 times. Exhale 3 times. Inhaling. Exhale. Breathing in. Exhale. Following my lead. hold. And exhale. Relaxing your face, relaxing the belly, feeling everything slow down. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. And exhaling out the mouth. Relaxing the palms of your hands and feet. Relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Bringing your attention inwards. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Allowing your mind to be totally free. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale, let go. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy to have you here today. Grateful for you joining me. The color for today is purple. The animal is a tiger. And the number is 1 billion. Letting go of thoughts, letting go of storylines, letting go of self-limiting beliefs. As you step into a place of awareness, inwardly becoming aware. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Feeling all negativity leave the mind, leave the body as you come back into trust in the unfolding of life. As you come back to love, allowing love to light your path, not fear, which is not the best guide. If you have an important decision to make today, let love guide the decision, not fear. Let your decision come from a place of abundance, not scarcity. Remember how limitless, how infinite this world, this universe is. Absolutely limitless. So be aware of any limitations that you're imposing on yourself. Taking one last deep breath for now. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of resources, an abundance of creativity, an abundance of consciousness that is already here. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.